Writing well is one of the most underrated skills in business because it shapes how people perceive your thinking. And AI can dramatically help you sharpen that if you use it the right way. In every job, we spend a huge amount of time writing emails, reports, slide headlines, posts, messages. I'll show you how I use AI to turn messy drafts into clear, structured, authentic writing that sounds like me, not like a robot. For me, every piece of writing starts with one question. What am I trying to achieve here? Whether I'm writing a client email, a slide headline, or a LinkedIn post, I first clarify the goal. Then I dump all my ideas on a page, just unfiltered. Could be bullet points, half sentences, or random thoughts. Once my ideas are out, that's when I bring AI. AI helps me take this raw material and structure it into something clear, concise, and adapted to my audience. My writing process usually follows 4 steps. Step 1, define the goal. Before anything, I tell AI why. I want to write an executive-friendly email summarizing key decisions from today's meeting. Step number 2, I dump my thoughts. I paste my rough ideas and context exactly as they are. I don't try to make them sound good yet. And then step number 3, build the right prompt. I often start by asking AI to generate the best prompt for the job. For example, can you generate the best prompt I could use to turn these raw notes into concise executive? Then I combine my own content with that optimized prompt and run it. Step number 4, refine. I review the first draft carefully, I adjust the tone, I shorten sentences or ask the model to rephrase sections to match my style. The point is not to let AI write for me, it's to help me say things more clearly and more precisely. So one of the most important parts of my process is keeping my voice. I usually train the model by giving examples of my past writing, a few LinkedIn posts, scripts, or client messages, and I tell it, this is my voice, learn my tone and rhythm. When you rewrite something, for me, keep the same personality and sentence structure. And that way, when AI polishes my work, it sounds like me and not generic, not robotic, just sharper and cleaner. And the biggest mistake people make with AI in writing is asking vague prompts like write a LinkedIn post about the importance of marketing strategy. The output will always sound very generic because it's missing you. It's missing your thoughts, your structure, your intent. If you don't feed AI your context, you'll get something that anyone could have written. The key is to inject your own ideas first. I'll never say that one enough. AI can make your writing 10 times sharper, but don't let it bury your voice. The best writing still comes from you, comes from your insights, your personality, your clarity. So use AI to boost your ideas, to polish and structure them, but never to replace your thinking. When you get that balance right, AI becomes your invisible editor, making your communication effortless and more powerful. Quick exercise here. Take one piece of writing you've done recently, could be an email, a report, or a post. Paste it into ChatGPT and act as a writing coach. Refine this text for clarity, structure, and tone. Keep my voice and style intact. Ask 3 questions before rewriting to fully understand my intent. And then compare the before and after. Then adjust until it feels authentically yours.